All the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. You can use this information for your trading decisions, but you're solely responsible for your decisions. Hello folks, welcome to this video. In this video, I wanted to talk about what is the forecast for SPY and QQQ for the next week. That is the first week of June. Last week we had some nerve-wracking movements from the SPY, right? If you see here, we had a move that went all the way to 518. And then on the afternoon session on Friday, that is a Friday, it made a big move. And there was a lot of money made in this move, 20x. But I did not, because I was very skeptical about this move. Even on the 10-minute chart, if you see, let me show you the 10-minute chart quickly so that, see, it was like, whoa, I was like, it was right down here to the 518.92. And from here, it went all the way up. But why, now let me explain why am I very, very skeptical about this move, and it is not still very bullish. It still looks bearish to me. Why? So first of all, look at this thing, the line that was drawn. If you look at this on the weekly chart, it went from the 75% retracement to the 100% retracement within, like, it fell down for 4 weeks and it went in 6 weeks, and it went very fast, and it needs to come down a bit to the 87.5% retracement, which is around 510. Right now, if you look at it here, the first, what happened, why that move happened fast, let me explain that. The thing is, if you see this candle here, this candle, it went on the previous day, we had this candle which went up like, which went down, and then we had the second wave here up to 50, and then this went, the third wave started, the 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you see, it went up for 2 days, and then it was consolidating here, and then it fell down big to this one. And that happens to be end of the month too. And maybe there were like some balancings happening in the mutual funds and hedge funds. I'm not sure what is the reason. So once that happened and a lot of purchase was made at the end of the month, this move happened very, very fast. Now, but having said that, I don't see this crossing this line yet, right? So basically, what I am expecting is, I am expecting an other leg down. So what does it mean? From here, we can go down to this 509. That coincides with the 87.5 retracement on the weekly, which is 510. And you see this cloud here, the Ichimoku cloud, it looks bearish for the week, next week. If you see here, the next 10 candles seems to be bearish, but again, it is becoming bullish here. So I'm thinking, but the Chiku span again is looking very, very bullish here. So what I'm expecting next week is, like, maybe we might have another leg down here to 510 area, and even more down to up to 499 area. You won't form like a low like 499.55 is the where it is going to. So maybe it will come down closer to that, and then it might bounce back very fast. So where could it go? It could go to, like, let's say if it goes to that level, what we see here, we might come down to even the 12.5 or something. Then we might see this 538. That is coinciding with the 1.25, and that might take some time too. So basically, what I am thinking right now, let's not worry about all those things. For the next week, I think there is a more downside move to 50, at least to 510. That is at the top of the cloud. So this is where it is, the 510. So if it crosses that, then it can go to the bottom of the cloud, which is at 504. And it can, if it goes there might be a little bit of move downside up to the close to this candle, and then it might bounce back. But don't get this wrong, folks. It is only for the next week or two. But this needs to happen because this move happened very, very fast. If you see here, this move really, really happened very fast, and it has to move back to get the buyers back interested in this SPY to take it further high. So SPY is bullish long term. If you see on the weekly chart, it is like very, very bullish. But on the daily chart, it's showing some bearish moves here, but it might spring back. Okay. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Again, on the QQQ, QQQ also, you see this cloud is bearish. If you take any stock for the next maybe 1 or 2 weeks, I wouldn't say you see this is until June 17th, June 15th. So for the month of June, until the options expiry, we might not see a big moves, but for the July, we can see a big moves. That's what I'm saying. So be cautious, folks, for the coming weeks. Don't, keep a watch for this, the SPY and QQQ going down. And again, always be aligned with the indexes. Don't, unless it's a news play, but be aligned with the indices to see a bounce in this market. Okay. Just to reiterate that, if you see even Microsoft or anything, all the clouds are bearish. You see this entire cloud, this sector has been bearish. Even for Apple, which has been going up, I see a bearish cloud until June 10th. So all of them are around June 10th, June 15th. The cloud is very, very bearish. So we might see a fall to these levels before it can go up. Okay. So just be cautious, folks. Just wanted to share these thoughts. There's a good possibility that it can pull down. Again, we never know how the market reacts to different scenarios. But as of now, I'm very, very cautious on this move, and I would wait for a big, uptrend once this cloud becomes bullish. Okay, this is what I wanted to share with you folks in this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.